In today's video, we're going to compare these three 6S LiPo. First up is a general bashing Genzace 45C.
So responsive.
So the GPS is zeroed out, started. All right. So this is a 6-cell setup this time. We'll test it out, see what it does. I changed out the layout in this boat, moving the motor to the back so that the battery could be on the front. And this is my first time running 6-cell on it. So, see what happens. Thank you, sir. I think I kind of liked running down that way better than this way. I don't know if you can see right here on the video, this dirt in the middle. The water's real low right now, so hopefully I don't hit something like that. There we go. It looked good. I don't really know how fast that was, but it's 60 plus. All right. Move the boat real quick so you can see movement on here. All right. Stop. Read. 66 miles an hour. Which I've actually done the same on 4-cell, but this is a really junky, cheap 6-cell battery. The bright red line here is the voltage. As soon as that green line, the amperage, came up, it just fell on its face. Even as the amperage started to wind down, it just didn't recover. A bashing pack can't handle any heavy loads. Next up, we have the CNHL G Plus 70C. It's a good, strong pack. Alright, out with the 42-inch mono. Start, stop, read, zeroed out, started. See, it's picking up. We're running 6-cell again. So last time we reused a cheap basher Genzace battery. Right now I got CNHL G Plus 70C batteries in here. Lunchtime for the construction guys. Alright. So anyway, 6-cell. Basically going to compare these batteries against the basher batteries, and then last one I'll run is the Onyx packs. Assuming the boat doesn't crash, because this hull is not really ever engineered for the kind of speeds I'm going to be going. So the wind changed directions. So I've changed which pond I'm on just to align with the wind, but that really shouldn't have much of an impact. There's a little bit of chop on the water. It's not terrible, but it's not ideal for high speeds. So the last run was 66 with the Basher battery. And I'm expecting better speeds. I don't know exactly how much better, but we will see. So here we go. Oh yeah, she's moving. Alright, hang on to that please. Don't touch the throttle. Alright, that was a really good run. Nice and smooth. Let's grab the boat. We'll go up to where I've got the phone to check the GPS. Oh man, just stepped in the mud. Okay. All right. Move the boat again. See, it's picking up there. Stand right over here. Maybe you can cast a shadow on this. There you go. That might help. Stop. Read. 80 miles an hour. Heck yeah, that's a great PB. Especially for this 1980s boat. 80 miles an hour, awesome. That's exciting. We'll see next how the Onyx, their Onyx power system, or OPS batteries run in there. So real quick, let me show you the CNHLs. I might just stick with running duct tape from now on. This works much better than that boat tape. It's a lot more sticky and it's waterproof. I trust it a lot better. This hatch doesn't fit real good, so real quick, just for my own records here, motor's only 112. ESC fan's not even on. It's reading 101, 104. Happy with that. Get these out of here. So I'd taken the original white casing off to upgrade to some thicker wire. But both of these are the 6,000 milliamp CNHL G+, and they're 3-cell in series to make 6-cell. And the batteries aren't pre-warmed or anything. They're 95 degrees. So hopefully you can see that. I don't know if I had my camera at the wrong angle, but
now for the
excellent run.
Onyx,
80 miles an hour. Total run was 1,726 feet. So I have to check logs and maybe even had a little bit more in it. We'll see.
So it went faster. Check out the mouse pointer and that maroon line at the top. The RPM started to go down as I held full throttle. Voltage was not recovering. So great run, but not perfect. Next up is our top tier, the Onyx batteries, Onyx LiPos.
All right, ready for the next 6-cell test on this 42-inch mono. Start, stop. Read. zeroed out. Started. You see the GPS is picking up. Hope you enjoy the singing those guys are doing. Alright, so last test, well, first test with the Gens Ace, 66 miles an hour. Second test, CNHL, 3-cell, 70C, the G Plus series. We hit 80 miles an hour on the dot. And now we got some Onyx. Onyx 6600s in there. And I'm expecting something like 82, 83, somewhere in that ballpark. So let's see what happens. I did not warm them up. I did not overcharge them. Just standard. Actually, they may be just slightly undercharged because my charger doesn't go all the way. It goes to like 4.17 or something per cell. Alright, just waiting for those ripples in the middle to move out of the way. The wind's picking up a little bit. We got a little bit of chop on the water. But it should be alright. Those ripples are almost cleared out. Alright, here goes nothing. There's a lot of speed for this 80s hull, so. Oh, I can't see. There it is.
All the construction workers are just staring at you doing it.
Yeah. Nice clean run. Stable. I'm happy with that. Come on. There we go. You hang on to that, sir. Thank you. Put this paddleboard here so I don't have to step in the mud. Last time I stepped right there in the mud. Gotta get all the way off. Hey, Mr. Frog. I can hear the ESC's fans running. Alright. Let's check the GPS. Can you block the sun for me? A little bit forward more. There you go. Alright. Boat's still picking up speed. You can see it there. Check. Alright. So stop. Read. 90 miles an hour. Wow. Holy cow. 10 miles an hour over the CNHLs, and over the Basher 6-cell pack, that was at 66 miles an hour. Wow, holy cow, what a difference. And this was 1,850 feet, so really not a significantly long run. And I'll tell you, I have on the Noble, I have my throttle set where it runs the throttle for me, kind of like the Perfect Pass launch control. So the runs are controlled identically by the throttle input. So the difference here really is the battery. Wow, 90 miles an hour. Heck yeah. Alright. Amazing. Yeah, I did this screenshot. Alright. So let's peel this off. I'll show you batteries.
Is that a PB?
That is definitely a PB. That's a all-time boat PB on a mono, or on any of my boats, because I really haven't got a chance to run the rigger much yet. Alright, let's see. ESC's at 100, 101. Motor 118. I saw 120 there briefly. Okay, not bad. The part that you're waiting for. Here's the batteries. So these are the Onyx 6600s. Onyx, it's abbreviated here, Onyx Power System, OPS. Wow, I mean, 10 miles an hour over the exact same run, and 10 miles an hour over the CNHL 6000s. Now granted, yeah, I have more capacity here. These are 6600s, but there's more to it than that. These packs put out a lot of power, a lot of amperage, so that's where it's coming from. Whew, awesome. Glad you guys got to witness a PB today. 90 miles an hour with my mono. And this thing's old, man. It used to be like a nitro boat. You can still see the wooden rails in here. I used to have the motor up front and the batteries out back, and I changed the setup to get more weight in the front so that I could do like what I just did here today. So anyway, that is it. New PB, 90 miles an hour. Thank you.
All right, so this is the data for the Onyx. What you'll notice here is that the RPMs held steady, or they were starting to climb. Also, the voltage was actually recovering towards the end of the run. The voltage levels were going back up. This, along with less voltage drop, is what led to the top speed. I was not paid by any of these brands, just an honest review, real testing, to show you the differences in these. I really want to thank you for staying tuned. This was a long video. Hopefully you liked it. Please subscribe, and we'll try to get some more content like this on the channel.